Hello guys, so for this tutorial you're going to need a mold of any sort, and also you could even freehand do this. Also you're going to need your key, don't forget your key, and here I'm going to use 2 pieces of purple clay and 1 piece of pink clay for the inside of our biscuit. And now we're going to mold our purple clay into our biscuit. Now you want to mold your pink clay into a rectangle to fit inside your biscuit, and then we're going to measure our key between your pieces to see if it fits or not. Here you want to make sure your key fits and that the hole doesn't pop out and you're covering the whole thing so it could look really cute.